Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and in this video I want to show you how to make money online while in South Africa. I'm specifically making this video for my fellow South Africans. I'm in Pretoria, South Africa, and I know there's many fellow South Africans looking for ways to make money online and on the internet. And I recently stumbled upon a great program that is easy to use and easy to join, I'm going to show you quickly how I make more than 10,000 Rand a month from hashing ad space. And I do that by viewing other advertisers' ads online every day. Currently I'm watching 17 ads per day, and these 17 ads, if everything stays as it is with supply and demand of the Asimi crypto token, then it's more or less equivalent to 12,000 Rand per month that I'll be earning. And at the moment it's still growing, so it's increasing all the time. But I'll show you how I got to that and how I did it and how you can do it yourself. So if you're sitting in South Africa and you want to join my team, I'll put my referral link below and I'll help you get started. If you're not familiar with cryptocurrencies, exchanging your rands to Bitcoin and Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies, I will help you via WhatsApp or any other way that's possible to get you started. But on this website where I'm now, this is Hashing Ad Space is the website's name, and how it works is you watch ads of advertising. It's an advertising platform. So advertisers come and they pay for advertising, and they pay for you to watch an ad for 7 seconds. And then so all you need to do is to log into this account every day and then watch your ads. At the moment you can watch one ad for free, but if you want to watch more ads, then you need to stake your Asimi. You need to buy the Asimi token and then stake that in Hashing Ad Space. So the more stakes you have, the more ads you can watch. At the moment I've got 17. I've got one free one. So one will disappear in a week's time. So we're in the pre-launch, and that's why we've got everybody's getting one free ad to watch. So I've already watched all my ads here, but I click on Start Minting Ad, and then the ad will show for 7 seconds, and then I can go back to my dashboard. Here you can see I've already watched my ads for today. So I've already done my work. And then I'll just show you what I earned yesterday. Every day after 10 o'clock, every morning 10 o'clock, the program will clock over to the new day. So if I go to transactions and go to my wallet, you'll see here that I've earned 12.4495 Asimi. Asimi is the crypto token. The Asimi token was created on the Waves platform, or on the Waves blockchain. The Waves is also a cryptocurrency exchange like Luno. If in South Africa, you will probably be more familiar with Luno. I use Luno to change my rands into Bitcoin, and then from here I move my Bitcoin to the Waves exchange, and then in here then I exchange my Bitcoin for Asimi. And then what I did was I took my Asimi and transferred it to Hashing Ad Space, and then I bought stakes. At the moment an Asimi stake is 41 Asimi. And then in the Waves platform, if you go to the exchange, you can see one Asimi is about $2.4. So one stake is about $100. So I did spend some money to buy Asimi or steaks, and then I also I'm compounding my earnings. So every day I get that steak, or let me just go back. Okay, here you can see the Asimi price. It's 0.000660002 Bitcoin. That's about $2.4. So you can exchange. So after you've earned your Asimi on hashing ad space by minting ads or mining ads, I call it sometimes. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but sometimes people are more familiar with mining, like Bitcoin mining. Here we're mining ads, so we're not using computers to do the mining. We just we just using we're just watching ads to mint Asimis. So in any way, what did I want to say? So yes, so you buy your or you stake Asimi here. So you buy Asimis and you stake it in hashing ad space. That $100 worth of Asimi, you get everything is repaid to you because you're only staking it. You're not buying anything. It's not a purchase. You're staking. In the crypto, people that are familiar with cryptocurrencies, all cryptocurrencies you can stake your cryptocurrency, and what you do is you creating stability in that cryptocurrency because you're fixing that cryptocurrency or tokens. In this case, we've got Asimi crypto tokens that you stake for 365 days. So over 365 days or 1 year, you get paid back every day. But because it's a blockchain, there's going to be, I think, 44 million Asimis issued. So every day there is over 16,000 or 17,000 Asimis issued. And the people that are watching ads get rewarded for watching those ads. And that 17,000 Asimi is spread among all the members or all the people that have watched their ads as a reward. And that you get paid every day, like I showed you here. If I just go to my wallet here, in hashing ad space. So yesterday, the 15th, I earned 12 Asimi. The 14th, I earned 11. Here I made I staked 40 Asimi. So that 40 Asimi will be paid back to me over 365 days. Here I deposited from Waves to I deposited in hashing ad space. But I'll show you another video how I did that. And you can see every day I'm earning Asimi. But what is this worth? 11, or let's use my latest one, 12.4495 Asimi. So I've got a spreadsheet here. So I put that 12.4495 Asimi in here that I earned yesterday. That is the Asimi Bitcoin price. That is the Bitcoin US dollar price. So in other words, one Asimi is equivalent to $2.40 at today's price. So I earned so many. 12 times 2.4 is almost $30 US dollars per day, and you know the dollar rand exchange rate is about 14 currently. I think it's a little bit more, but that gives me 480 rand per day. So say 30 days. So I'm earning 12,559 rand per day, per month currently from just watching 17 ads per day, and that I think is unbelievable. So yes, if you want to join me, or if you want me to show you how to do the same and earn even more, because it's unlimited how many stakes you can, or how many Asimis you can stake. So the more you stake, the more you earn. So the earnings potential is much more than 12,000 a month, as you can see. And I hope I showed you proof of how to earn 12,000 per month, or that I'm already earning that on paper. I haven't, look, this Asimi that I've earned there, that 32, I can withdraw that. I can withdraw that Asimi, but at the moment I'm compounding. I'm using the earned Asimi to buy or stake more Asimi, and then increase my earnings that way. So you can see deposit, withdraw, byproduct. The byproduct is the advertisers. So the advertisers also come in here and they buy advertising. Here's the advertising products. They can buy this banner here or that banner there in the left. Here's the advertising they can buy. So yeah, this is an advertising platform. So you're getting paid to watch ads. I don't think there's an easier job in South Africa than that. So yes, so I hope this helps you to show you that, or give you proof that you can earn money online in South Africa from just plain watching other people's ads. So yes, if you've got any questions, please comment below. I'll also put my referral link in the comments below, and other helpful links about hashing ad space. I've also done a review on hashing ad space. If you check my previous video, please press or click the like button. It will help my YouTube business or my YouTube channel a lot. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll be able to follow my progress in hashing ad space, and I hope to show you how I earn more and more every month. Yes, it will help my YouTube channel a lot if you subscribe, obviously, and click the bell button if you want instant notifications when I've made a new update on hashing ad space. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.